The Permissions tab displays the list of assets under each chapter automatically. If the asset in each chapter has been reviewed using the art audit, the system will automatically populate the credit line, copyright holder, permission sought from, date permission requested, date permission received, print rights granted, electronic rights granted, future editions, language granted and fee. Credit line maps to the credit line information in art audit. Copyright holder maps to the rights holder name field in art audit. Permission sought from maps to rights holder email field in art audit. Date permission requested maps to the date permission was requested as listed in the invoice date field of the rights tracker tool. Date permission received maps to the start date field of art audit. Print rights granted maps to the print field of art audit. Electronic rights granted maps to the electronic rights field of art audit. Future editions maps to the edition field in the art audit tool. If the count there is 0, it will display as no, and if the count is 1 or more, it will display yes. Any changes made to this field in the manuscript log will be saved back as 1 for yes and 0 for no. Language granted maps to the language granted field of art audit. Fee will be automatically populated with the fee information as listed in the invoice fee field of the rights tracker tool. You can review and revise the details on this sheet. Any changes made here will also be updated in art audit, thus synchronizing all relevant information on permissions.